Hi, and welcome back to the uberAgent UXM Fundamentals course. In this video, you'll learn how to install uberAgent's Splunk apps. The first step is to download the apps. Go to uberagent.com and click on Download. Select the latest stable release. Agree to the terms, and let the download finish. After the download has finished, unzip the downloaded file. Go to the Splunk console's homepage by navigating to http localhost:8000 in your browser. Log in to Splunk. Click Manage Apps. Click Install App from File. Select uberAgent Indexer and click Upload. The uberAgent Indexer app is now installed. Click Restart later. Install uberAgent_searchhead in the same way. Click Restart now to restart Splunk. Once the restart is done, log back into the Splunk console and verify that the uberAgent UXM dashboards are successfully installed. If you have a distributed Splunk deployment with separate search heads and indexers, please deploy the Indexer app to all indexers and the Search Head app to all search heads.